Hello students, today will we discuss about precious writing. हमारा टॉपिक है द पर्पज ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, प्रेसिज पहले हम प्रेसिज पढ़ेंगे पैराग्राफ, फिर उसके बाद प्रेसिज, उसके बाद इसका टाइटल. ओके, द स्टूडेंट शुड लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हिज एग्जामिनेशन नॉट एज अ solemn ordeal which he is compelled to go through with the prospect of a degree. Should he be successful, what as a means of showing his teachers and fellows how much he has profited by work he has done. Those who pursue knowledge in this spirit and those we it remarked who examine in this spirit will look forward to examination with no apprehension. Examination not perhaps with joy, for after all it is a war to examine and perhaps greater war to the examine, but it is a necessary step for the student in gaining self-assurance and the conviction of having profited by his exertions, and for the teacher as a means of ensuring that his instructions has not profitless to his students. In this connection, I cannot refrain from remarking that genius for competitions, which has overridden our nations, appears to me to be misplaced. Too much is thought of the top man, very likely the second or even the 10th, or it may be the 15th, has a firmer grasp of his subject and in the long run would display more talent. Let us take comfort, however, in the thought that the day of examination for the sake of examination is coming to an end. इसके बाद इसकी प्रेसिज है, एग्जामिनेशन शुड नॉट बी treated as ordeals for students but as a means to test their ability, apprehension and self-confidence and convictions. Though both taking and giving examinations is a boring task, it is necessary to examine how far students have been able to gain self-assurance and how far their teacher has succeeded in making his exercise more profitable to them. Securing positions in the examination is not so important as gaining self-confidence, because persons of inferior position do much better life. Examination therefore should be conducted not for degree sake but for making students self-dependent. The suitable title to the passage is the purpose of examinations. Next passage है हमारी रिलीजन एंड सोसाइटी. टाइटल है रिलीजन्स हैव हेल्प्ड ग्रेटली इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी. They have laid down values and standards and have pointed out principles for the guidance of human life. What with all the good they have done, they have also tried to imprison truth in sad forms and dogmas, and encouraged ceremonials and practices which soon lost their original meaning and become mere routine. while impressing upon men the mystery of the unknown that surrounds him on all sides. They have discouraged him from trying to understand not only the unknown but what might come in the way of social effort instead of encouraging curiosity and thought. They have teached a philosophy of submission to nature, to the established church, to the prevailing social order, and do everything that is. The belief in a supernatural agency which orders everything has led to a certain irresponsibility on the social plans, and emotions and sentimentally have taken the place of reason, thought, and inquiry. Religion, though it has undoubtedly brought comfort to innumerable human beings and stabilized society, while its values have checked the tendency to change and progress inherent in human society. इसकी पैसेज है, though religious have helped immensely in the development and stability of human society, they have also checked the course of change and progress, though they have laid down value for the guidance of human life. They have also set certain dogmas which hide the truth of life. The philosophy of submission to the will of the unknown has blunted man's curiosity to understand the mysteries of nature. Though religion has been very useful for human society, it has done some bad things also. Next time, इसका टाइटल है, द सुटेबल टाइटल सजेस्टेड टू पैसेज इज रिलीजन एंड सोसाइटी. नेक्स्ट पैसेज, unemployment arises from a variety of causes. One that is always recurring and of the effects of which we have had a recent example is the disorganization of industry resulting from a long war. This is a serious problem admitting of no easy solution at the best of the times. Again, there is the unemployment which follow a marked diminutions in the quantity of any raw product, such as cotton. Fewer hands are required in the mills and factories. We may call this cause red harvest. Similar what more serious is the effect of changes in industry due to the invention of machinery which does more work and requires workers. And yet another serious causes is a strike or lockout, and this is more to be deployed because such a stoppage sometimes is due to a very trivial matter Perhaps the fact that men are working half an hour longer than the regulation of their union permit. इसकी प्रेसिज है There are many causes of unemployment. The first cause is the disorganization of industry resulting from a long war. The second cause is the shortage of raw material. The third cause is the invention of machinery that does more than several people combined together. The fourth cause is the strike or the lockout over a very small matter. Okay. We may call this cause bad harvest. Similar but more serious is the effect of changes in industry due to invention of machine which does more work and requires workers. This is a serious problem admitting of no easy solution at the rest of the time. Again, there is the employment which follow a marked in the quantity of any raw product. Okay. इसका टाइटल है The subtitle title suggested to the passage is the causes of unemployment.